Let's look at Chapter 13, Lesson 2, Extension, Finding Missing Factors. Find the missing factor, use any numbers you want to build it. 8 times what equals 104? Well, I know that 8 times 12 equals 96, so I'm guessing that 8 times 13 would equal 104. But I'm going to double check by dividing 104 by 8. I know it goes in one time. I'm going to subtract 8 from it. I get 2, bring down the 4, and I know that goes in 3 times 24, subtract, and you get 0. So your answer is 13. I'm going to use the same method for number 2, 135 divided by 9. I know it goes in one time. 9, subtract, 4 is left over, bring down the 5. I know 9 goes in there 5 times. 45, subtract, and you get 15 as your final answer. 9 times 15 equals 135. Do the same thing for number 3. I take 98. I'm going to divide it by 7. I know it goes in one time. Subtract 7, you get 2. Bring down the 8. I know that goes in 4 times. 28. Subtract, you get 0. Your answer would be 14 times 7 equals 98. You can use these methods as well as other different methods to go ahead and solve numbers 4, 5, and 6. For the last one, Sam is making a collage using 4-inch by 6-inch photographs. He bought a rectangular frame that is big enough to hold 18 of his photographs. What might the dimensions of the frame be? Well, I have a couple different options. I'm going to have a 2 by 9, where I would have 2 rows by 9, or I could do a 3 by 6, where I'd have 3 rows by 6. Now, in order to figure out how many inches that would be, I'm going to look at the dimensions of the photographs, which is a 4 by 6 inch. If I use the first one, I would have 4 and 4, and then I would have 9 sixes up here. I know that 4 plus 4, or 4 times 2, is going to be 8 inches. And I know that 6 times 9 is going to be 54 inches. So I know that this could be 8 inches by 54 inches. You can do the same thing here where you have 4, 4, 4, and 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is going to be 12 inches by 6 times 6 would be 36 inches. These are 2 of your possibilities for this problem. Remember to show your work and maybe even draw a picture to help explain your answer.